Alright, here's the it's the best part of this. You might have been wondering up until this point, where's the white stripe? Well, here is the white stripe on the bottom. So, this is a battery pack. It takes 8 batteries. I don't know if you actually need 8 batteries in order for it to work, but I mean, why not? So, I'm gonna close it. All those batteries in there. And I already glued, when I ordered these battery packs, I looked at the dimensions and got a general size of it and glued that of the same material I used for the dress to make a little pocket. So I just glued it on these 3 sides with fabric glue. And so I'm going to take this and just slip it right in there. And then I'm going to take this and screw that kind of into place. Alright. I'm going to turn it on to make sure there she is. Jeez, these are bright. I'm gonna take a hot glue. This has peel and stick on it, but I don't really trust this to be strong enough. So I am gonna peel it, but I'm also gonna use hot glue on it, I think. Alright, so as you can see, when the lights are off, it just looks like the normal light stripe that's at the bottom. And when the lights are on, it looks even cooler. And it's super fucking bright, as you can see. It really hurt doing this because it hurt to look at these lights for so long. But that's how they look. And the back where they overlap is really not that noticeable at all. It's especially when the lights are on. When the lights are off, it's a little bit more noticeable. But it's just right there. On camera, it's not even noticeable at all. It just looks like a big blob. But yeah, most of the part that like I thought would be noticeable of it going up, and you can't even really see it at all. It pretty much starts. Yeah, it's very nice. I really like it. And that makes the dress 100% complete. So there she is. Yay!